Did you know that some questions you answer could put you in danger without you even realizing it? Allah protects you from sihr, but only if you stay cautious. Tonight we reveal the 5 questions you should never answer and how silence, dhikr and tawakkul can shield you from unseen harm. Pay attention. This knowledge could protect you and your loved ones. Not every question asked of you is innocent. In the context of sihr and spiritual harm, certain questions are carefully designed to probe your weaknesses, secrets or personal life under the guise of curiosity. Asking about your family, daily routines, fears or dreams may seem harmless, but it can be a subtle attempt to gain access to information that can be exploited spiritually. Allah warns us to be cautious with what we reveal because our words carry power and consequences. By recognizing that not all questions are genuine, you protect yourself from harm, both seen and unseen. Sometimes silence is the strongest defense, and Allah's protection surrounds those who act with wisdom and caution. In Islam, silence is often a form of wisdom and a shield against harm. Not every question or conversation requires an answer, especially if it may expose personal details that could be misused in sihr or by those with ill intentions. By choosing silence, you allow Allah to protect your heart, mind and soul from unseen dangers. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ taught that speaking without need can lead to trouble, while careful restraint brings safety and blessing. Silence does not mean weakness. It is an act of trust in Allah's protection. When you remain mindful of what you reveal and when you speak, Allah strengthens your spiritual armor and keeps harmful influences away. Sharing personal information may seem harmless, but in reality, it can make you spiritually vulnerable. Details about your family, daily habits, dreams, fears, or routines can be exploited by those with ill intentions, including practitioners of sihr. Islam teaches that our words and actions carry weight, and carelessness can inadvertently open doors to harm. Spiritual protection comes from caution, mindfulness, and reliance on Allah. By keeping private matters private, you maintain a shield around your heart and home. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ emphasized prudence in speech, reminding us that discretion preserves safety. Protect yourself through awareness, silence when necessary, and constant remembrance of Allah, who is the ultimate guardian of all secrets. Sihr, or black magic, cannot harm a person without Allah's permission, and it is not inherently powerful on its own. Its effect depends on the access it has to a person's life, through personal information, secrets or vulnerabilities. The more a person unknowingly exposes themselves, the more opportunities exist for harm. Islam teaches that protection comes from Allah, and practicing caution, remembering Him, and seeking His guidance creates a spiritual barrier that sihr cannot penetrate. Awareness, restraint, and dhikr are stronger than fear. Understanding that sihr is powerless without access empowers believers to act wisely, avoid risky disclosures, and trust Allah's protection, turning fear into mindful vigilance and spiritual strength. The strongest shield against sihr and unseen harm is remembrance of Allah, dhikr, and complete reliance on Him, tawakkul, regularly reciting protective du'as, morning and evening adhkar, and verses from the Quran, such as Ayatul Kursi in the last 2 surahs, reinforces your spiritual defenses. Dhikr not only brings peace to the heart, but also creates a barrier that negativity and evil cannot penetrate. Coupled with sincere trust in Allah's protection, tawakkul allows you to live without fear, knowing that He is the ultimate guardian. Protection is not only about physical measures, it is about the soul, heart, and mind. By combining constant remembrance with reliance on Allah, you fortify yourself spiritually, ensuring safety from sihr and all unseen harm.